Chapter 20, Social Media Growth 101, Building an Audience from Scratch. Social media can be one of the fastest ways to get your business in front of a large audience, but only if you understand how to use it strategically. A lot of beginners post randomly, hoping something will go viral, and then wonder why their accounts are not growing. The truth is, social media growth isn't about luck. It's about consistency, understanding the platform, and creating content that connects with the right people. You don't need millions of followers to succeed, but you do need the right followers, people who actually care about what you offer and are likely to become customers. The first step in building an audience from scratch is choosing your platform. Each platform has its own culture, format, and audience expectations. Instagram is highly visual and great for lifestyle, personal brands, and product-focused businesses. TikTok thrives on short, entertaining, and authentic videos. YouTube works well for longer, searchable content that can generate traffic for years. LinkedIn is ideal for B2B and professional niches, while X is better for fast, opinion-driven, and conversational content. Rather than trying to be everywhere at once, focus on mastering one platform first, then expand once you've built momentum. Once you've chosen your platform, you need to define your niche and audience. The clearer you are about who you're talking to and what they care about, the easier it will be to create content that resonates. If your audience is small business owners, for example, your content might focus on tips for growing revenue, saving time, or marketing effectively. If your audience is fitness beginners, your content might focus on simple workouts, nutrition advice, and motivation. Every piece of content should speak directly to your ideal followers' problems, desires, or interests. Next, you need to learn how to hook attention. On social media, you have just a few seconds, sometimes less, to stop someone from scrolling. This is why your hooks, the first line of a caption, the first frame of a video, or the first image in a carousel, are so important. A strong hook makes people want to keep watching, reading, or swiping. Good hooks often create curiosity, promise a benefit, or challenge a common belief. Once you've got their attention, the rest of your content needs to deliver on that promise. Consistency is critical for growth. Social media algorithms reward accounts that post regularly because it keeps users engaged on the platform. This doesn't mean you need to post 5 times a day. It means you need a realistic schedule you can stick to. Whether that's 3 times a week or once a day, the important thing is to show up consistently over time. Quality matters, but so does frequency. If you disappear for weeks, people will forget about you. Engagement is another key part of growth. Social media is not just a broadcast channel. It's a two-way conversation. Reply to comments, answer DMs, and engage with other people's content in your niche. The more you interact, the more the algorithm sees you as active, and the more likely it is to show your posts to new people. Plus, engagement builds relationships, and relationships turn followers into loyal fans and customers. A big growth lever is riding trends, but doing it in a way that fits your niche. On TikTok, this might mean using a trending sound, but adapting it to your audience. On Instagram, it might mean joining a popular challenge or using trending hashtags. On YouTube, it could be creating videos around trending topics in your industry. The key is to balance trend-driven content, which can give you quick bursts of attention, with evergreen content, which stays relevant for a long time and keeps bringing in views. Analytics should guide your strategy. Every platform gives you some form of insights that show which posts are performing best, what times your audience is most active, and what content formats get the most engagements. Use this data to double down on what's working and drop what's not. Growth is rarely linear. You'll have posts that flop and others that unexpectedly take off. The goal is to learn from both and keep improving. Finally, remember that social media growth takes time. It's easy to compare yourself to accounts with huge followings, but most of those creators have been posting consistently for years. The good news is you don't need millions of followers to make money. A small, engaged audience that trusts you is far more valuable than a huge audience that barely pays attention. If you focus on delivering value, building relationships, and staying consistent, your growth will compound over time.